Hey, it's Joanna here with Joanna's DIY Life. I am so excited. I finally got subscriber mail, okay? I have one dear sweet friend that comments on all my videos, and now she talks to me quite often. I love her. I love it. So, but before I do hers, it's a suspenseful thing. I know what one of them is because she already told me. But she sent two, and I have no idea what the other one is. So, yeah, I'm kind of nervous, but anyway, I'm going to open mine from Amazon first. Okay, so y'all know if you follow me, I did not like the pink matte, okay? I'm not a pink person. I didn't like pink matte. Not that pink anyway. So I ordered one from Amazon, and this thing is huge. Do you see this? It's a Gorilla Grip matte. And I can't even get it out. Like, I'm going to have to rip it's silicone. It's thicker. It's sturdier. It's weird looking. And it's not pink. Yay! Okay. Y'all still haven't told me and commented whether you like these videos or not. But, I'm going to keep them coming because I think it's fun. Oh, I didn't realize that was all up in my mic, in my pocket. I am so stinking sorry. But anyway, let me see if I got this right. Look at that color. It's beautiful. It's a nice size mat. It's got my measurements too. Oh, I love it. If you want one, I will put a link in my description in my Amazon store. I am excited. Okay, I love that mat. Okay, now I got my mat. Let me see what I got from Miss Lisa. Thank you, Lisa, by the way. But let me get this tape off. Aww. She sent me a little note, y'all. How sweet. In one of my hauls, I got the blue lantern, okay? And I said I wanted the mint ones. This girl done went and got me two of the mint ones. And I am super excited. And I am so thankful. They are beautiful. Thank you so much. I love them. Okay, I knew I was getting those, okay? Now this other, I had no idea. And it says do not bend. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know what this is. It came in a poly mailer. So we'll see. Aww. She sent me an Easter truck. Now ain't that cute? I told her I didn't see one in my store. So, she sent me one. That is so cute. Thank you so much. I do appreciate my first subscriber mail. Oh, thank you, Lisa. I appreciate you so much. I do want to show what my pastor's wife got me. Okay? Everybody knows I like these. But these are so cute, okay? I didn't get these in the mail, but I got these at church. She found me sloth socks. And these are so soft and so adorable. That one's holding a drink. I'm saying it's coffee, okay? Just so you know, just coffee. And then these. It says, drop it like a sloth. I love those. Those are so stinking cute. So thank you, Melinda. That is my pastor's wife. And that's all I got in this. So thank you again. And until next time, goodbye.